What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video, guys. In this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get a backlink from a DR74 site, very high powerful authority site. So let's just jump straight to the video. Let me open up the link, guys, so you can see. All right, I got a link right here. As you can see, these are all Dofollow links, guys. This is a computer right here, or somebody just picked up his URL. I saw what he's doing, so I'm just trying to show you guys a DR73 site. All right, so come over here, sign up, guys. Once you sign up, you might want to get an email handy. So I got an email handy right here, bro. All right. Uh, so full name, like you always do, you know what I'm talking about, is it two vice, know what I'm talking about. This is just a vice. All right, guys. Put it up, put in our username, you know what I'm saying? So trying to get cool backlink back to our site, bro. So right, guys. So click on sign up. That just basically doing you come over to the email right here. Wait for all right. This was the link right there later on. So definitely this is not the new this thing we just put right now. So the page still trying to load up, guys. I have to pause this video and come back on it. All right, guys. So I've been sent an email to my temporary email. I'm gonna click on it. Let's check. All right, this is the email right here. Click on it right here. Look for the confirmation link though. I don't know why I didn't just process it once, guys. Didn't really process it so nice. Uh, Kind of confused. Don't know what to do right now. Um, so guys, I really don't understand what's happening right here. He's just showing me basically codes instead of I really don't understand what's going on right here. But I think guys with your let's just try this thing one more time, bro. Oh, so let's let's try to sign up again, guys. Let's use another email providers, guys. Pro email. I don't know why it should send me code. Very wrong of it. Send me code. You know what I'm saying? Temporary email. It is not a good email, guys, to use for now. Really don't know why I'm getting this thing right here. Let me use my google.com. You know what I'm saying? So let's say temporary email. All right. So we're gonna use this email right now to sign up, guys. We really had an issue right now. Just change some things right here. Just to show you guys what it looks like though. So I'm gonna solve this capture right here. I really want this to be fast as possible. This is the capture, solving it. Um, all right, guys. I think I'm done solving it. So, guys. All right. Let's do this for this page to load up quick. So, I know what I'm gonna be doing right now. All right. So we got a temporary email right now. We just click copy it. You know what I'm saying? So come over here. Put it in here, back. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Just put in my password. I don't think you should know this. Person. All right, click on sign up, guys. Send me an image just right now to my temporary email. Let's click on it and see if it looks well arranged. All right, this is more arranged though. All right, click on this. This is a confirmation email. Click on it right now. So just copy it. You know what I'm saying? All right, it works. So guys, trying to log in back. You know what I'm saying? Um, can't even remember the password, guys. We just use and the login we just use right now, right? Let's just put in what I think we use. saying this site doesn't work with no capture. Doesn't work with no capture, guys. So let's try to log in. All right. All right, guys, we're in right now. So what we're gonna be doing right now is gonna add links. I think we're gonna add links. Profile for cancer. See what we got here. All right, guys. It's not a mistake. Profile. All right, guys. Just write the name of your site into Vibes, guys. You can style it as much as you want. Put in the URL right here. This is the magic tricks for guys. So this is the do follow back link, guys. Click on profile. I think we're done adding it. Let's see how profile looks like, guys. This site is just so slow, guys. All right, this is the do follow backlink right here. Let's inspect this. Actually, 301 do follow link, guys. Let's inspect it. Got it. Do follow link. Uh, Once you click on it, it's gonna have be redirect, guys. So this is a do follow backlink back to our site, guys. All right. So I think we're done with this video. You can add as much link as you want, like you can see. Create more profile. This is just kind of branding your site, maybe putting in your contact information, your various profiles on social media. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of a link tree though. All right, guys. That's the end of this video. If you want to add links, click on here, add more profiles as you want, your Facebook, your YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So you can fill up whatever you want to fill up here, guys. All right, guys. That's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you always like, smash the like button, guys. Very important for this video. It helps YouTube suggest this video to a wider audience, guys. All right. Till I come your way next time, guys. Take care and do have a lovely day, guys. All right.